Hello my dear students, everyone, welcome back to the Tapasya Institute. Students, this is SUHAS, your chemistry master teacher. Students, how are you all? I hope everyone is safe and doing extremely great. My dear students, let me know in the chat section what's the Josh for the PYQ discussion for your NEET 2025 examination. Let me know in the chat section first. How are you all? Let me know in the chat section. And also please do not forget to mark your attendance. Mark your attendance is nothing but what? You need to like the video, share the video, and comment in the comment section how much you have a love for your SUHAS. And also students, before starting the live session, let me know in the chat section my voice is clearly audible and my PPT is clearly visible. Let me know fast, guys. Yes, I hope it is clearly visible and audible. My dear students, our Tapasya team came with one of the best, extremely good idea. One of the best idea. We are going to discuss entire NEET PYQ from the year 2024 to the up to 2018 or 2017. Why? Because my dear students, PYQs are very important in the case of chemistry, bio, and in physics also. What maybe they will changes? Maybe they will changes the values in the case of a problem. In the case of organic chemistry, how can they change? Yeah, my dear students, they can change the starting material, but oxidizing agent itself it's an oxidizing agent, reducing agent itself it's a reducing agent. Correct now? It is oxidizing agent, reducing agent, and also whenever we come for the inorganic chemistry, that same magnetic moment, same electron, same oxidation state, common oxidation state, everything is common, right? My dear students, first I will start with a chemistry. Then after that we come with a bio, your sir, our Dr. Shantanu sir. Then the next one after the bio, our one of the physics educator, best physics educator, our Abhi sir. Okay, come on, let's move with a NEET PYQ 2024. First year, first paper, starting with is always your SUHAS sir. It is 2024. Let me start with the first question, my dear students. Okay, first question in your NEET 2024 is, arrange the following, guys. Before starting only, I am clearly mention you guys, in this year your paper pattern is changed. The extra 5 questions are there now. For the options, they are actually we have a part 1, part 2. In part 1 you need to attempt 35 out of 35. In part 2 they will give a 15 questions. On those 15 questions you need to attempt only 10. But in this case those 5 questions it's already removed, as well as in JEE, as well as in NEET. And also my dear students, please remember once, it already the portal for the changes it's already open and it's already closed. Okay, it's already closed. Okay, most of the students have a doubt now. Don't worry, it's already closed. Don't worry, guys. Look here, my dear students. But in 2024-2023 we have a 50 questions. I am going to discuss all 50. Okay, come on, let me know. First question. Mera bachcho, first question is, arrange the following elements. Okay, let's take the pen. Okay, sir. Arrange the following elements in the increasing order of their electronegativity. Which of the elements we have? Nitrogen, oxygen, then fluorine, carbon, silicon. Carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, silicon. Correct now? If we come for this electronegativity, we already know what is electronegativity. Attraction towards the electron, right? Attraction towards the electron. My dear bacho, look here. Look here. If we come for the periodicity of electronegativity, down the group, electronegativity, it is always decreases. There is no exception here. Electronegativity. How to calculate electronegativity? How to calculate electronegativity? Very simple, my dear students. You need to take a ionization energy plus electron affinity divided by 2. You will get a electronegativity. Correct now? There is no exception is there in the case of electronegativity. There is no exception. Then if you come for the carbon, we have a carbon and silicon. Carbon, silicon, both are the same family members. Carbon family members. Correct now? Down the group, electronegativity decreases along a period. What it will happen? Along a period, it is always increases. If you consider that condition only, you can easily answer. There is no exception in the case of electronegativity. In class also I am clear with that point. If you come for this one now, here look here, guys. Fluorine, yes, in our entire periodic table, fluorine is the halogen. It has a more electronegativity. More electronegativity is there. Why? Because in its valence shell 7 electrons is there. Down the group electronegativity, what is the order? Electron affinity exception is there. Electron affinity is nothing but what? Whenever we had an electron for the isolated gaseous atom, the energy releases now, that is called as electron affinity. But my dear students, look here. If you come for the electronegativity, there is no exception. Then what it will happen? Along a period, it is always increases. Down the group decreases. According to that case, fluorine is the top. Then you can easily remove option 3 and option 4. Correct now, my dear students. Fluorine is the top. You can easily remove option 3 and option 4. Next, if you come for the next one, then after the fluorine, what we have? Oxygen, 16. Then the option A is correct, not the option B. Why, my dear students? Look here the order. Look here the order, my dear students. Look here the order. Everyone look here the order. I hope it's clear, my dear students. First question is clear. What is the first question? Arrange the following elements in increasing electronegativity. I already say you in the class, electronegativity, electron affinity, especially ionization energy order is very important. Already be done with this one. Any doubt, my dear students? Any doubts? Let me know in the chat section. Any doubt? I hope first question there is no doubt. Next, move for the second question, my dear students. The second question is from organic chemistry. What is the question here, my dear students? The question is, identify the correct reagents that would bring about the following transformation. We need to identify the reagents. Look here. What we have? We need to concentrate on an alkene molecule. And the final product is your aldehyde molecule. Correct now. First, the reagent is a alkene. You are getting a aldehyde, but in everywhere they are giving 2 steps. Okay, everywhere they are giving 2 steps. How to bring this? Clear now, I say. Okay, now. Okay, sir. Sorry. Thank you, Ayan sir. Guys, for the live, the man who behind the entire live is Mr. Ayan sir. Okay, for every connection and everything, we need to thankful for him. Okay, now my dear students, look here. What is the question? Here we have a reaction to the product. My dear Kuchu, look here. We have a reagent to product. Here we have a alkene, aldehyde. We already know the flow chain. What is the flow chain, my dear students? Alkene or any hydrocarbon, we can easily convert it. If you do the oxidation, you will get the alcohol. If you do the further oxidation, you will get the aldehyde. We know the one reagent, PCC. It is called as a selective oxidizing agent. Correct now. It is specially used to oxidize the alcohol molecule. Correct now. Look here, guys. Here we are getting a aldehyde. Which aldehyde we are getting? Aldehyde. To getting a aldehyde, what you require? You require a primary alcohol. What you require? Primary alcohol. Okay. Look here, guys. What you will get? Primary alcohol. Okay, aldehyde. If you want to aldehyde, then how we will get primary alcohol? If you do the oxidation for the primary alcohol, you will get a aldehyde. Correct now? If you do the oxidation for the primary alcohol, on those case only you will get a aldehyde. Similarly, if you do the oxidation for the secondary alcohol, what you will get? Ketone now. Secondary alcohol, ketone, primary alcohol, aldehyde. Now look here, guys. We have a alkene. Alkene first we need to convert for the what? Alcohol. What we need to convert? Alcohol. CH2. Which alcohol? We require the primary alcohol, my dear students. Concentrate here. We require the primary alcohol. What you require? You require the primary alcohol, my dear bacho. Primary alcohol. If you do the oxidation, you will get the aldehyde. Look here. Chromic oxide, yes, it is also an oxidizing agent. PCC, yes, it is also. Then you come with the alkaline KMNO4. No, this is not. If you do the alkaline KMNO4, my dear bacho, carboxylic acid KMNO4, then you can easily remove the option C and option 4. Okay, option C, option 4. Students, I always prefer with an elimination reaction. Okay. Guys, sorry. I will always prefer the elimination method. Go with the elimination method. Now, if you come for these two, my dear students, look here. What is this? In the presence of H plus. H plus. Where we see this one? Alkene to alcohol. It is called as a catalytic hydrogenation. Correct now? Catalytic hydration. Water. We will add the water. My dear students, we will add the water. Correct now, we will add the water, but on that case what we will get? It will follow a Marconi rule. Marconi rule का मतलब क्या है? What is Marconi rule? Water H plus OH minus. H plus OH minus, whenever the negative part is there, it is always attacked for the carbon atom containing lesser hydrogen atom. Where it will attack? Carbon atom containing lesser hydrogen atom. Correct na? But if you use the H2OH plus, it will give a secondary alcohol, but we require the primary alcohol. That's why option A. What we need to do? First we need to do hydroboration oxidation. Hydroboration oxidation is always follows anti-Marconi rule. Correct na, my dear students? Anti-Marconi rule. Hydroboration oxidation, it is follows anti-Marconi rule. It will follows anti-Marconi rule. Further, if you use it, selective oxidizing agent like PCC, pyridinium chloride chromate. Correct now? If you use that one, you will get your final product. That's why the option B is the correct answer. I hope it's clear, my dear students. I hope it's clear. Let me know in the chat section why there is no response in the chat section. I need their response, guys. Now, my dear students, next question. What is the next question? Look here, the next question. The compound that will undergo SN1. What is the full form of SN1? What is the full form of SN1, my dear students? Unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. Unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction, my dear students. Correct now? What is the full form of SN1? Unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. In this case of a SN1, my dear students, what is the order? Order of a SN1 is a 1. Why? Because they are specially mentioned the unimolecular. What it will happen in the case of a mechanism? What it will happen in the case of SN1? We have a RX molecule. It will undergo RX. Which type of RX? With a base, strong base. Okay, strong base or weak base. It is a moderate one in the case of SN1. Moderate base. What you will get? You will get the nucleophilic substitution product. This is SN1, right? It will follow a two-step mechanism. First step is the formation of carbocation. Second step, attack of a nucleophile. Here in the case of a first step, this is the RDS. First step, it is called as a rate determining step. What is the first step? It is called as a rate determining step. Okay, why we call it as a rate determining step? Because this step, it will give the entire idea about the reaction. What is the rate determining step? Slowest step, it is always rate determining step. Why we require a slowest step? Because what is rate? We are only calculate how much the reaction, how much it will fastly it will happen. That is called as a rate, right? How much it fastly happens. That is the rate now. Here, RDS, carbocation, formation of carbocation is a RDS, rate determining step. Correct now, my dear students? RDS is the formation of carbocation. If you come like this, if you come with this, then here we have one order. And also here the another important point, formation of carbocation is RDS. Then if it's the compound is stable, then attacking nucleophile is more. Then the rate is more. Then we are going with a stability of a carbocation. What is the main important thing in SN1? Stability of a carbocation. Correct now. For a stability of a carbocation, we come with one order. What is the order that one? Benzyl radical, my dear students. C6H5 radical, or correct now C6H5. Here if you get a carbocation, it is more stable. Inductive effect plus I. If you have an electron donating group, more stability means more reaction, more fast of the reaction. Reaction rate is fast. Then after that you come with a allylic, my dear students. Allylic means double bond attached to the next carbon atom. This carbon atom carries a positive charge. Allylic. Vinylic means same double bond. Clear? Vinylic is not stable. Why? Double bond compared to the single bond, more electronegativity, more electron density. That's why. Next, after that you come with a tertiary, secondary, primary. According to this, you can easily say the answer. This one and this one. Here, look here, both. Here, option 4 is the correct answer. Here, it will carry a positive charge. Again, we have a resonance. Due to resonance, this carbocation is stable, and we have another extra methyl group. That's why the answer is option D. I hope clear. Third question is clear from your chapter alloalkanes and alloarenes. My dear students, let me know in the chat section it is cleared or not. My dear students, let me know in the chat section it is cleared or not. Now let's move for the next question, my dear students. The next question is, it is from your chemical equilibrium. This is from your chemical equilibrium. Here they are mentioning one reaction. What is that reaction? 2A, they are mentioning the equilibrium symbol. 2A gives a B plus C. Okay, means 2 moles of A dissociate to form 1 mole of B and 1 mole of C at whenever time t is equal to 0. Time t is equal to 0, it have a concentration C, this is 0, 0. Then what it will happen? C minus C alpha, C alpha, C alpha. Correct now? This is the flow, this is the flow. Whenever you want to solve an equilibrium problem, this is the flow. If you come for this one, they are giving a Kc. What is Kc, my dear students? Equilibrium concentration or the equilibrium constant. Equilibrium constant in the term of a concentration, Kc. Kc is equal to what? 4 into 10 power minus 3. At a given time, okay, at a particular time, it is a Kc value. The composition of a reaction mixture is, sometime all the reaction mixture are same. All the reaction mixture are same. What is the value? All the reaction mixture value is 2 into 10 power minus 3 capital M, means molarity, concentration terms, M. 2 into 10 power minus 3 M. My dear students, look here. Then they ask which of the following is correct. We need to choose which of the following is correct. Let's see the options. Reaction is at equilibrium is the first option. Second option, reaction is a tendency to give a forward direction. Okay, forward means this side. Reactant to product. Product is more. Product concentration is more. Whenever the product concentration is more. Let's see. Next one, reaction has a tendency to give in a backward direction. Reaction has tendency to complete in a forward direction, means forward only. Product concentration, if you increase the reactant concentration, my dear bacho, what it will happen? Product formation is more, then it will forward. Product concentration increases backward. But my dear students, you know, I already discussed one of the important term. It is called as a QC, reaction quotient. What is QC? It is an equilibrium constant. It is an equilibrium constant, not the equilibrium constant. It is a constant. QC is the constant. Whenever you are finding the concentration at particular time, correct now? QC is also same like that one. QC. How to calculate QC? First we need to calculate QC for this reaction. Then after that you need to, we have a 3 important condition in the case of a QC. Which of those? If QC is equal to Kc, it is at equilibrium. Similarly, if QC is less than Kc, my dear bacho, if its QC is less than Kc, what it will happen? Forward. If QC is more than Kc, it is backward reaction. Calculate QC, then you will get the answer. Come on, let's move for the QC. How to calculate QC? Concentration of the product means B, stoichiometry. What is the stoichiometry value? 111 is there, my dear student. B, then C, overall divided by A power 2, right? A power 2. Substitute the value. All concentration are same. All concentration are same, my dear students. 2 into 10 power minus 3. 2 into 10 power minus 3. Overall divided by 2 into 10 power minus 3 whole square. Cancels. You will get the answer 1. Here, what is the Kc value? Where is that one? Yes, Kc value is 4 into 10 power minus 3. Qc value is 1. Minus 3 is there. Then QC is more. Compared to Kc, QC is more. Okay. Here, the condition is this one. Then what is the answer? Reaction has tendency to go in backward direction. Clear this question? My dear bacho, clear this question? Clear? I hope it's clear. Any doubt, my dear students? Bacho, my dear students, any doubts? And also, my dear students, for a KCET and NEET crash course, if you want any online batches or offline batches in Karnataka and also outside the Karnataka, if you want in pure English lecture, if you want in pure Kannada lecture, you can easily contact the Tapasya, or you can easily download the Play Store. In the Play Store, download Tapasya Live App, and you can easily get the material access only for 2,999. Okay, only for 2,999. Don't miss out this opportunity. Okay, it is early bird offer. Make use of that offer. Make use of that offer. My dear students, clear with the third question? Sorry, fourth question is done. Now fifth question. It is one of the basic question, my dear students, about the mole concept. What is mole? What is mole? Mole is the unit of an amount of substance. Correct? Now, for example, if I fill the water in this bottle, I will ask students, what is the capacity of this bottle? You can easily say that 1 liter. You can easily say that 1 liter. Correct now, but if I ask how many atoms present in this 1 liter of a bottle, 1 liter of a water molecule, how many? How can you give answer? Sir, we give by a mole na. Mole is the SI unit na. Mole is the SI unit of amount of substance na. Correct na, very important. If we come for this na, 1 mole is equal to how much? How to calculate mole? Let's write the formula. Everyone knows this formula, one of the easiest question. Mole is equal to given weight or divided by molecular weight, my dear bachcho. How much weight they are giving? We need to calculate by using molecular weight. And also, you must and should be remember, 1 mole is equal to 22.4 liter at STP. 22.4 liter at STP. And 1 mole is equal to 1 into Ne of atoms. Ne means what? Avogadro number. What is the value of Ne? 6.022 into 10 power 23. It is the value of Ne, my dear students. If we come for this, look here. The highest number of helium atom is in. Where it happens? Look here, 2.27 divided by 22.4 liter. Then obviously not the correct answer. They are asking about the helium atoms. 1 mole is equal to, you must and should be remember, 6.022 into 10 power 23 atoms. Correct now? Then option D is wrong. 4 gram. Arey baba, 4 gram. 4 by 2. 4 by, what is the helium atomic mass? Helium. 2 proton is there, 2 neutron is there. Approximately 4. We will get the 2 now. 1 we will get. Then this is also not correct answer. For U, atomic mass unit, 1 AMU is equal to kitne? 1 by Na na. 1 by Ne. Then this is also wrong answer. The answer is very simple, 4 mole of helium. 4 mole of helium, easy. 4 mole of helium, 4 into 6.022 into 10 power 23 atoms. Very easy, 4 mole. Without solving, we can easily give the answer for that question. Correct now, my dear students? Now, my dear bachcho, next move for the next question. This is from your thermodynamics. See, I am saying that question in the class also. Why? Because guys, about the system, okay, sorry, about the process. In the case of thermodynamics, we already know. Thermodynamics, what is the thermodynamics? Feasibility of the reaction. It will releases heat, absorbs the heat, oh my god, one of my love for the thermodynamic chapter, one of my favorite chapter in the physical, entire physical, my dear bachcho, my favorite chapter is thermodynamics. Why? Very beautiful guys, very beautiful. Okay, now come with this one, system surroundings. You already know, if you have a imaginary boundary system surroundings, and also type of system, open, closed and isolated. Open, what is the matlab kya hai open? What is open system? Open means both exchange of energy and mass. Neither energy, neither mass, isolated, and we will give the example also. In the case of a process, we have a few examples now. Here they are giving the match. What they are asking? Match list 1 and 2. Very simple. Match the least. My dear students, what we need to do? Match the least. Match the following. If we come for this, first one, isothermal. Thermal means what? Isochoric. You can easily say. Choric means isobaric. Bar, wait, pressure. Adiabatic. Here, in the math of following, I am giving one of the important trick. Students, you don't want to, in the case of a math of following, you don't want to know all the answer. In bio also math of following, more it will come in now. First, pick the easiest one, it will match. Then it will match now. Your answer is almost right. If you come for the adiabatic, everywhere we are discussing adiabatic. No, it exchange. Q is not exchange, delta Q value, no it exchange, delta Q is 0. Then for D, option 1 na, where, look here guys, NTA people's also very intelligent guys, look here. In 3 options, D is 1. Correct na, D is 1. In a 3 option, D is 1. D is 1. Then what it will happen? Remove option 3. D option is 1. Next, adiabatic then. Next, isochoric, constant volume. B3, 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 B3. Here we have a B3, here we have a B3. Then option 2 is wrong. Option 2 is wrong. Next, my dear students, we have a and 1. Here, isothermal. We have a 2. Constant pressure, constant temperature. Isothermal, constant temperature. A is equal to 2. A is equal to 2. B is equal to 3. C is equal to 4. D is equal to 1. Correct answer. Very simple answer. Very simple question, my dear students. This is the simplest question in your thermodynamics. Especially, my dear bacho, this time I will predict the question paper. Almost you need to focus more on SLA. This time they will ask pakka question on your SLA. Pakka question, 200% question. Clear na? Now it's from your next chapter. atomic structure. Next chapter not, before chapter only, second chapter, easiest chapter. My dear students, look here. What is the question, my dear students? The question is the energy of an electron in the ground state whenever n is equal to 1. Okay, ground state means n is equal to 1 for the helium He plus ion is minus x joule. कितने हैं? minus x joule. Then the top an electron in n is equal to 2 for the state of the Be3 plus ion in joule is same. Answer is minus x. You can easily say the answer. But how to solve, sir? We already know how to calculate energy. En is equal to minus 13.6. Minus 13 point. It is in the joule now. It is in the joule. Otherwise, you can easily say the RH value. You can easily take a RH value. Minus RH into n square by z square or z square by n square. Yes, sir. Z square by n square. Clear? Z square by n square or n square by z square. Let me know in the chat section. Radius. What is Rn? Is equal to a naught into n square by z. Now this is reverse. X z square by n square. Correct now. Here n value is 1. Here if you substitute all the value, otherwise you do not want to solve the question only, my dear students. Why? Because look here, guys. Here how many electrons? He plus 1 electron is 1 electron system. Be plus 3 beryllium, both have the same electron. Then the energy, it is in the energy next energy level now. That's why the answer is minus x. Very simple. Minus x, very simple. Okay, minus x. If you want, we can solve also using a RH relation. RH is equal to minus. You will get the answer also. Okay. Next question. Minus x is the answer. Clear. Next, yes. We move for the next question. The next question from your organic. It is a GOC question. Easiest question, or you can say as a hydrocarbon also. Organic. We can't differentiate only. We can't differentiate only. We can't differentiate only. Up to this, any doubt, my dear students? Up to this, any doubt? Up to this, any doubt? Up to this, any doubt? I am waiting still. I am not getting any response in the live chat section. I need the response, my dear students. Let me know, my dear students. Let me know, my dear bacho, let me know. If you come for the next problem, easiest problem. Look here, guys. Here we have a molecule ethane, means single bond. What is the molecular formula for ethane? CH3CH3. Clear? Ethene, my dear bacho, alkene. CH2, double bond CH2. Then after that, carbon molecule C2. Okay, C2. Then ethyne molecule. Ethyne. C triple bond CH. Clear na? Here, choose the correct answer from the given option below. Given option below. Here you can easily, without solving it, you can easily know they are giving a same option for a D and also same option for a C. Maybe it will, most probably it is there. If you come for the ethane, what is here? 1 sigma bond and 2 pi bond. Where we will get this one? D. Ethane na? Ethane we will get between a carbon atom, between two carbon atoms. My dear bacho, they are asking between 2 carbon atoms. Between 2 carbon atoms, in the case of ethane, what it will have? 1 sigma bond, 2 pi bond. In the case of ethene, 1 sigma bond, 1 pi bond. Ethane, obviously 1 sigma bond. C2 molecule, 2 pi bonds. Correct na bacho? C2 molecule, 2 pi bonds. If you come for this now, D, 1 is there, yes. C, 2 is there, yes. B is not 4. B3 na. Ethane means 1 sigma bond na. C single bond C na. Then the answer is option 2. Then the answer is option 2. Very simple. Then the answer is option 2. You can easily identify. It is the basic. Baby question. Baby question. Baby question. Next question. Baby question, my dear students. Next question. I think this is the 9th question. Okay. My dear bacho, still we have not completed 10 question also. We have still 40. Stay with me, my dear bacho. Next question. Look here, guys. Match the list. Again, match the list. Oh my god. Bhai sahab. Kitne match the list de diye? How much they are giving? Only match the list questions. My dear students, look here. Here is the shape or geometry they are mentioning. Here we have a 4 molecules. Match the following. One of the easiest. What is your SUHAS trick? How to calculate? You are calculate by using octahedral and octahedral. Just leave that. Just leave that. Just leave that all rule. I will give you today a rule. Follow this rule. Easy question. Easily you will get the answer. We already know any shape or geometry completely depending upon the hybridization. Correct? Now, if you know the hybridization, you can easily give the answer. First, you must and should be know hybridization. For a hybridization, my dear students, you know steric number. You want to know steric number. You must and should be know steric number. For example, if you make the column, sir, steric number hybridization here. If it's a 2, sp, 3, sp3, 4. Okay, sorry, sp2. Okay, sp2, sp3, 5, sp3d, 6, sp3d2, 7, sp3d3. Correct, my dear students. How to calculate this steric number, my dear bacho? Very simple. Steric number we can calculate by using the relation. What is that relation? First, calculate the number of atoms. Total number of atoms bound into the central metal atom. Total number of atoms bounded to the central metal atom plus remaining number of lone pairs. Mera bachcho, look here, we are mentioning pair. My dear students, we are mentioning pair, not a single electron. Pair is there. If we come for here, ammonia is there. How many atoms are binding? 3 na. What is the valency of ammonia? Arey bhai, it is in equations. It is a 15 group, 5 electrons are there in their valency cells, alpha valence shell. Here in this case, 3 hydrogen is already take a 3 electron covalent bond. Remaining 1 pair is there. 3 plus 1 sp3. Okay, 4 sp3. BRF5 bromium. Your halogens F5 5 electron 1 pair 6 for sp3d2. Again XeF4. You can easily say, sir, XeF4 I know it is a square planar. And everyone knows square planar. Why everywhere XeF4 is common for us. F4 xenon, it is also halogen. 8 in 8 4 are busy with the friend of fluorine, and remaining 2 pair again we will come with a 6 sp3d2. My dear students, very simple. They are mentioning square planar means they are giving you a shape. Shape means what? Geometry means what? In the case of a shape, my dear students, you are not considering lone pair. You are only considering bond pair. But lone pair, maybe it will vary the bond angle. If it's the repulsion is more, then it will move. Which theory? Westphal, valence shell, electron, repulsion theory. Then after that, my dear students, and the remaining questions. SF6, you can easily say 6. Sulfur is the family member of oxygen. 6 electrons there in a valence. 6 are busy with the fluorine. Then it is khatam ho gaya. If you come for all the thing, my dear students, ammonia shape. Ammonia shape. What is the ammonia shape? You have a one separate chapter for the amine compounds. Shape is trigonal pyramidal. For A1, you have this option. You can easily choose it. You can usually choose A is equal to 1. B, obviously square pyramidal. Here like this. Then the XeF4 square planar, SF6 octahedral. My dear bacho, octahedral. Depends upon the lone pair. I am giving you one important trick here. This one and also another one. If you have sp3 hybridization, very simple guys. No lone pair. Choose tetrahedral as a shape and geometry. Geometry is same, guys. Geometry is same. Shape only varies. 1 lone pair, trigonal pyramidal. 2 lone pair, bent. How to remember? Water. Bent water. Khatam. Oh yeah. Khatam. Done. This question is done. Next question, my dear students. Next question. Good morning, Bhanu Pratap. How are you? I hope your preparation is going good. Come on, let's move for the next question. Next question, my dear students. Here the question is from your, yes, you can easily say as sir from redox reaction, and also you can say as a electrochemistry. This question. The question is, my dear students, the question is the E0 value for the Mn plus 3 to Mn plus 2. Mn plus 3 to plus 2. Okay, plus 3 to plus 2 means what it will happen? Reduction. Decrease in the oxidation number, reduction. I am extremely great. Bhanu Pratap. Okay. If you decrease in the oxidation number, it is called as a reduction. Increase in the oxidation number, it is called as a oxidation, my dear students. Here, look here. What they are saying, the E0 value for the mth couple is more positive than that one. Yes, obviously, due to change of. Easiest question, due to change of what? They are mentioning here D5 to D4, D5 to D2, D3 to D5. My dear students, one of the very easiest question, this one. Look here, in the case of a D block elements, we already know manganese is also little bit stable. Why? Off-fill it. Off-fill it in the D block. Off-fill it. Then chromium, it have a exception electronic configuration. Why? We are only say that it's partially compared to the partially filled, off-filled electrons, or the off-filled electron is there in the compound. It is stable, little bit stable, my dear students, little bit stable. Compared to full is completely stable, full of then partial. Correct, full of partial. If we come for this condition, we can easily say what is the manganese atomic number? It is 25. What is the actual electronic configuration in the case of a ground state? It is argon 3d5 4s2. First, we already know we are removing the electron from this. Then after that, this. Here, Mn plus 3. What is the electronic configuration? D4 na? D4 electronic configuration. Mn plus 2 D5. Obviously, stability matters na. Due to that, the answer is option 3. Stability matters. Very simple. D4 to D5. You can blindly choose this answer. Blindly choose this like this. Okay. Clear, bacho? Clear this question? I hope it's clear this question. I hope this question is already clear in your mind. Okay. Next, move for the next question. It is from your KPKC. Again, chemical equilibrium, my dear bacho. Chemical equilibrium. Arey bhai, second question from your chemical equilibrium. Okay, in the case of this, the question is very simple. In which of the following equilibria Kp and Kc are not equal? Kp and Kc are not equal. My dear students, my dear bacho, what is the relation between Kp and Kc? What is the relation between Kp and Kc? Repeat, sir. Which question, Bhanu Pratap? This question you need to repeat, or before question, let me know. Here, look here, guys. In this question, in which of the following equilibria Kp and Kc are not equal? Question is very simple. Kp, Kc, what not equal? Kp, Kc, what is the relation? Kp, it is nothing but equilibrium constant in the term of a pressure is equal to RT power delta N into Kc. RT power delta N into 60. Question number 60. Okay, I will do again. Here, look here, guys. For Bhanu Pratap, I am discussing the question number 60 again. Look here, Bhanu Pratap. The question is, the E0 value for the Mn plus 3 to Mn plus 2 couple is more positive than that of. Why? I already clearly mentioned you whenever I discuss a D and F block elements. The stabilities matter for this one. Here they are giving the configuration, my dear students, plus 2 plus 3, plus 3 to plus 2, correct? Now plus 3 to plus 2 means D4 to D5. Why? Off-fill is stable na? Look here, Bhanu Pratap, very simple. Off-fill is stable na, more positive value. Stability matters. Stability matters. Correct na? For the stability case, this is the answer. Now it is clear. Very simple stability by. It is very simple stability. I hope it's clear, Bhanu Pratap. This question, my dear student, this question, I already given you the relation. What is the relation? Kp is equal to RT power delta N into Kc. Here, what is delta N, my dear students? What is delta N? Sir, delta N is equal to number of moles of a product, minus number of moles of a reactant. But the thing is, we are only consider a gaseous molecule. Okay, gaseous molecule. If you come for this, 1 second, after this question I will tell you, Bhanu Pratap. After this question I will tell you, don't worry. E0 value I will tell you. Even E0 value I will tell you. Here, my dear students, number of moles of P minus number of moles of reactant, product minus reactant in the case of a gaseous. Clear now? Product minus reactant. Here what they are saying, Kp and Kc are not equal means if the delta N is not equal to 0, then those are not equal. Very simple. If you come for the product on the backward, Kp is less than Kc, forward Kc, this thing, very simple, you can come with this one also. Here my dear students, if delta N is not equal to 0, then this is the product and reactant is not equal to 0. Look here, in which of the following equilibria Kp and Kc are not equal, they are mentioning. Here if you come for the option 3, here 1 plus 2, 2 minus 2, 0, it is not equal. This is also not equal. If you come for this option 2, product 2 minus 2, it is also 0. The answer is option A. Very simple. Option A. Option A is the answer. Option A is the answer, my dear bacho. Option A is the answer. Option A is the answer. Next, move for the next question. It is the exceptional question. Okay, Banu Pratap asking about the E naught. Now, E naught is directly proportional to the stability. Very simple, guys. We are considering ionization energy. Whenever the stability is more, we require the more energy. Now, that's why E naught. SOP minus SRP. Now, SOP is equal to minus SRP. You will get the answer. Very simple. Now it's clear. I hope now it's clear. My dear students, my dear bacho, next we are going for the 62nd question. Okay, what is the question number now? 62. The question is, my dear students, among the 16 elements, which one does not show -2 oxidation state? Very easy. Whenever I discuss P block in a class also, I am saying you guys, polonium is the exception. Polonium have a only ability to form a +2 and +4. You can easily say without solving also polonium, PO, because it is a radioactive element. In the case of a DINA, that's fine. Easy. Next question. Spin only magnetic moment. Spin only magnetic moment is same in which of the following ions? Spin only, not a sim. Spin only magnetic moment. Spin only magnetic moment. It is same for which of the following ions? And also, Banu Pratap, very simple, I will say you can check. Yes, standard relation. Okay, you can give that also answer. Okay, now look here, guys. If you come for the next problem, Banu Pratap, now give the answer for this question. Let me know. I will give you, before solving, if you give I will give you one big gift for you. I will give you some discount from my name for your NEET crash course for you. If you give this correct answer, I will give you fast. Give the answer. Give the answer, Banu Pratap. Fast, guys. Look here the question. Here you need to calculate the spin only magnetic momentum is same for which of the following ions. Very simple. How to calculate spin only magnetic moment? Mu value under root of n into n plus 2. N means unpaired electron. N means number of unpaired electrons. N means number of unpaired electron. In the case of this, my dear students, Ti plus 3, Mn plus 2, Sc3 plus, you can easily see B and C is an answer. Why? Because look here, guys. Scandium 21, 0 electrons. Iron, chromium, we have electrons. Scandium, titanium, 3 plus, obviously 1 electron is there. Manganese, my dear students, now only discuss 5. Now only we discuss the 5. If you come for the chromium, what is the electronic configuration of a chromium? 1 second. Let's go with a starting only. Let's go with a scandium first. Scandium 0 na. Clear. If you come for the chromium, 24 atomic number, plus 2 is there. What is the electronic configuration? The ground state, organ, 3d5, 4 is 1. You need to remove 2. 1, 1. Then totally how many electrons remaining? Bacho 4. If you come for the Mn plus 2, manganese plus 2. Mn plus 2. If you come for the Mn plus 2, yes, Banu Pratap, let me know. Mn plus 2, organ, 3d5, 4 is 2. 2 electron if you remove, how many are remaining? 5. 5 are remaining. Okay, 5. Okay, then we need to choose the answer. Correct now. A, if you come for the iron, Fe plus 2. Fe plus 2, iron, 26 na. Organ, 3d6, 4s2. Total you have a remaining 6 electrons. Okay, spin only magnetic momentum is same for the which of the following ions. Okay, let's calculate for that one. But electron, hydrogen, scandium, chromium 24, manganese. I think students here the question is little bit A and C only. Okay, A and C only. Okay, let's check. Yes, I am also thinking that only the option is little bit wrong. Mhm. How happen A and C? How happen A and C? Let me know. Let me know, guys. Look here. Look here. Third. Look here. 1 second. A. What A means Ca plus 3 na? What is the atomic number? Scandium, titanium, vanadium. Titanium 22. 22 na? 22, my dear students. 22 means organ. Look here 1 second. Argon 3D. 3 na? Sorry, 3D2, 4s 2. Here 2 you will remove. Titanium, scandium is plus 3, then this is the remaining electron is 1. You need to calculate that one, guys. B and C only, S, we will get the B and C only. You can calculate by using S. 4 and the here we have a pi na. Mn plus 2. 3d5 you need to remove 2. I think this is little bit wrong. It is plus 3, my dear students. It is plus 3. It is plus 3. Due to this only plus 3. The answer is option C. Option C, guys. Option C. Why? Because here little bit wrong is there in the question. Mn plus 3 is that one. Plus 3. Okay, it is the plus 3. A little bit correction you need to require. Little bit connection you need to require. Okay. Any doubt, my dear students, up to this? Up to this, any doubts? I hope no doubt. BMC. S pa. Next question. It is from your IUPAC system, GOC. It is from your IUPAC GOC. The question is, a compound with a molecular formula C6H14. C6H14 as a tertiary. How many tertiary? 2 tertiary carbon atoms. The IUPAC name is CnH2n plus 2 is na. We can easily say IUPAC name. Very simple. Here the main thing, they are saying that 2 tertiary carbons we have. How many tertiary carbons we have? 2 tertiary carbons we have. Look here, my dear students. What is primary, secondary, tertiary carbon? If you have a 3 hydrogen primary, 2 hydrogen secondary, 1 hydrogen tertiary, okay, then 0 hydrogen quaternary. Means, my dear students, means, look here. My gift, your gift, Banu Pratap. I will say you a gift. Download the Tapasya Live App. Okay. I will give you one code. Whenever you download, you have a chart option in the case of a Tapasya Live App. Chart me in the chart action. Okay. I will give you our crash course for a best offer. Our KCET and NEET crash course is happening. For a NEET crash course, I will give you one of the best price. I will give you best price. Okay, my dear bachcho, look here. C6H14. Now give the answer for this question also, Banu Pratap. Give the answer for these questions. 6 carbon. Yeah, we must and should be know what is the valency of carbon. 4 na. 2 tertiary carbon atoms you require. Clear? 2 tertiary carbon atoms. Then after that, you need to fill with another 4 carbon atom na. This is the possible structure. Here, look here. 2 tertiary carbons you have. This is the possible structure. My dear students. This is the possible structure. If you count the overall, what is the name of this compound? Very simple. 2,3 dimethyl butane. 2,3. Why this thing? NXN. No. NXN, it is used for your primary. Everywhere primary, secondary is there. You can use NXN. If you come for the next one, 2-methyl. No, it is not possible. The answer is option 3. Why? 2,2. If you use the 2,2 dimethyl butane, it will become a quaternary, not the tertiary. The answer is option C. Answer is the option C. Very simple. Option C. Next question, my dear students. It is also from your organic background. Organic question. Hydrocarbon question है भाई. The question is, the boiling point of the 3 isomeric pentanes. It is in the order N-pentane, isopentane, neopentane. This is the statement 1. Statement 2, my dear students. When branching increases, the molecule attains the shape of a sphere. Obviously, this results in a surface area for a contact. Yes, due to which the intermolecular forces between the 2 spherical molecules are weak. Therefore, the lowering the boiling point. Here, in the light of the above statements, choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. We need to choose the most appropriate answer. We need to choose the most appropriate answer. You can easily choose, sir, both statements are correct. Why? Because we already know your boiling point or melting point directly proportional to the molecular weight and inversely proportional to the number of branches, my dear bacho. Number of branches. Whenever if you come for the isomeric, you are considering this one. Isomers, you are considering this one. That's for option A. You can easily see. This is from your chemical kinetics. Easiest question. Which of the plot of a land K versus 1 by T is consistent with Arrhenius equation? My dear bacho, what is Arrhenius equation? K is equal to A into minus A by RT na. Log, apply log. If you apply log K is equal to log A, it will cancel. Minus A by RT, you will get minus A by RT. Then you will get the option 4. Option 4 is the correct. Reverse slope, reverse slope. Okay. And also we have a one relation. You know, right, that relation. Again in this paper only you have a question. Log K2 by K1 is equal to EA by 2.303 R, universal gas constant. EA by RT is there na, 2.303 R. You will and also 1 by T1 minus 1 by T2. Arey bhai, we have this relation. You need to choose this one. You need to say this is the answer. Option D is the answer. 66th question is clear. Next question, my dear students. It is from your physical chemistry again. It is from your solution chapter. The question is, why it is coming? 1 second, I will take here. The question is, my dear students, the Andrews law constant, they are giving KH values of the three gases in water. They are giving A value is 145. Okay. B value is 2 into n power minus 5. C value is 35. All are in K bar, Kelvin bar. Okay. All the values are they given. The solubility of the gases, we already know, my dear students. Solubility of a gas in a liquid, it is depends upon the pressure. Solubility is directly proportional to the pressure, inversely proportional to the temperature. In the case of a gas in liquid, temperature increases by, it will decreases. One of the limitation of Henry's law. What Henry's law states that solubility directly proportional to the pressure. To remove, P is equal to KH into Kaina. Here we already know KH, my dear bacho, KH, it is inversely proportional to the solubility. If KH is increases, solubility decreases. KH increases, solubility decreases. If you consider this here, K value is more, then the A value have a very less solubility. A, then C, then B. The answer is option 2. Inversely proportional. KH is inversely proportional to the solubility. KH is inversely proportional to the solubility. That is the answer. That is the answer. Next question, my dear students. No explanation required. The question, that much easiest question from your aldehyde ketone carboxylic acid molecule. Sorry, carboxylic acid chapter. The question, my dear bacho, the question is, filling solution A is, what is filling solution A? Option A, aqueous copper sulfate. Correct na? It is used to test aldehyde or differentiate aldehyde and ketone. Here we have one exception in the case of a filling solution. Aromatic aldehyde not give a positive response for the filling the solution. This is the thing. Here look here, filling solution A is aqueous copper sulfate, alkaline copper. Hey bhai, aqueous copper sulfate. The answer is option A. Rachel sir, filling B, sodium, potassium, tartarate. That is filling B. Correct na? Next question, my dear bacho. It is from your P block. You can say as a P block, and you can include this in your chemical bonding also, as well as in chemical bonding. The question is, my dear students, the given below are two statements. We have two statements here. Statement 1 is the boiling point of a iodides of a group 16 elements. What is the name of a group 16 elements? We call it as chalcogens. Why? Because those elements are always obtained in the form of a ore. Correct? Ore format. If you come for that, it will follow the order H2O, TE, SES, obviously. Statement 2. Why? On the basis of molecular mass, H2O is expected to have the lower boiling point and the other members of the group due to the presence of extensive iodine. We already know. Very simple. Very simple. Recently, our India won a CT, Champions Trophy. Hardik Pandya give a pose like this. This question also like this. Both are correct. Why? H2O. Whenever we discuss a boiling point in the case of a alcohol, carboxylic acid and other things, we are saying inter-bonding between the two OH molecule. We require the extra energy to break that bond. We require the extra energy, but my dear bacho, due to that case, the answer is both are true. Obviously, both are true due to hydrogen bonding. Reason is also correct. Statement 1 is also correct. Statement 2 is also correct. The answer is option A. Done. Next, again, it is from your coordination complex. Easiest, basic question, my dear bacho. Look at the question. Again, statement question. Statement 1 is both. What is the name of the molecule? Plus 3A. Cobalt. Plus 3 for a negative. It will say at say 80. In cation and the neutral atom, we are not changes the metal name, cobalt only. The name is hexaamine, cobalt 3. This one, hexafluorido, what you know? Fluorido, hexafluorido, cobalt 8, 3. Complexes are octahedral but different in their magnetic behavior. Obviously, by why? Magnetic behavior. Octahedral. How you will say octahedral? Depends upon the coordination number. What is the coordination number is in this both one? 6 and 6. Coordination number is same. My dear students, coordination number is same. Then the geometry is same. But in the case of a coordination number 4, inner outer. Inner means whenever they are using a d orbit. What? If it's a strong field ligand, they will push out the electron. They will cancel the bloody Ernst rule. What will Ernst rule says that? Before filling out, before completed off filled, you can't fill the entire electron. Or you can't pair the electron. You can't pair the electron. Before filling off filled. Before completing off filled, you can't pair the electron. That's the thing. Here if you come for this very simple. CO is a diamagnetic. Why? Because depends upon the ligand. Ammonia. What is the trick I am giving you? Carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, halogen based pair. Ivella ligand. These are all the ligand. Here we know in spectrochemical series the splitting of a ligand or the capacity of a ligand for the splitting in arrangement in a one series. It is called as a spectrochemical series. You can easily say carbonyl molecule is in the top, strong, neutral is always strong. It will come near. Okay. Due to this case, ammonia is one of the strong field ligand. Ammonia is the strong field ligand. Due to that, pairing will happen and rule it will fails. That's why its magnetic behavior it changes. This will changes as a diamagnetic. This is for a paramagnetic. Both statement are true, my dear students. Both statement are true. Finally, we done with the 20 question. Guys, this 20 question is clear for you. I hope it's clear for you, my dear bacho. Clear for you, my dear bacho. Now, my dear students, we are moving for the next question. It is your 71 question, 71st question. The question is, the most stable carbocation among the following is. The most stable carbocation among the following is. We already know the stability order of the carbocation. Carbocation stability is directly proportional to the plus I effect. But whenever you are discussing a stability order, you considering a stability order, what is the first you must and should be consider the resonance. More resonating section, more stability. Then the second one, hyperconjugation. Then in last, you come with the inductive effect. Resonance, hyperconjugation, and the inductive effect. If you come for this, resonance. Here there is no resonance, my dear students. There is no double bond. Resonance का मतलब क्या है? What is the resonance? It is a canonical structure. Means lone pair movement, pi bond delocalization or lone pair delocalization. Here no lone pair, no pi bond is there. Here resonance not there. You need to go with the hyperconjugation. What is hyperconjugation? It is called as a no bond resonance. It is stabilizing effect. What is hyperconjugation? No bond resonance, stabilizing effect. Hyperconjugation what? Hyperconjugation more than stability more. Carbocation stability is depends upon the number of alpha hydrogens. Count alpha hydrogen, you will get the answer. Alpha का मतलब क्या है? What is alpha? Next to the carbon atom. If hydrogen is there, those are called as alpha hydrogen. In this case, look here. Here you have 2 electrons in this case. sorry, 2 electrons, not a bi, sorry, 2 hydrogen. Here carbon valency 4 now, 1 2 3 1, total how much? 3 in the first option. Second option, 2 plus 3 5, second option. Then remove the option 1. Then the third one, this is alpha na, only one is there, then remove this option also. Last option, here alpha 3 position is there. Guys, here we have a carbocation. You need to consider these two also alpha. Alpha means there is no rules. Most of the students, what they are thinking, sir, one side I am considering alpha, next side I am not considering. No guys, no, not that one. You need to consider all the side, right, left, upper, niche. We don't want. Alpha means overall hydrogen. If you consider this, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 3 7, then the answer is option D. Option D is the answer. Then the answer is option D. This is your 71 question, easiest question. Next question. On eating. So on heating, some solid substance change from solid to vapor state without passing through a liquid state. The technique used for the purification of such. What is they are saying? Solid is directly proportional to the gas, means it is directly proportional. You need to remove that one. Very simple. Sublimation. Ho gaya sublimation. Clear? Sublimation. It is from your principle of organic chemistry, that analysis. Next is coming for your next question, 73rd question. It is also coming from your, or it is also asked from your inorganic question. My dear students, look here. We have again, oh by sab, again the match the list question. It's okay. Here, one of the easiest question. It is from your isomerism. Look here, this is the fourth question of your inorganic part. Not a fourth, sixth or seventh. Most probably this is the third question for your from your coordination compound. So 3 questions. Concentration on coordination compound. I already done the recording on that one. Subscribe the channel. Watch those video. My dear students, my dear bachcho, look here. Match list 1 and 2. Match list 1 and 2. Here in this case, you have a list 1. You have a list 1, list 2. Here, my dear students, isomerism. You already know isomerism, 2 type of isomerism. Isomerism, what is isomerism? Same molecular formula, different in the structure and arrangement. One is structural isomerism and another one is optical. Here optical they are not mentioning, we not required the optical. In the case of a structural, further divided into linkage. Linkage means what? Ambident and ligand, hydrate or solvent, water molecule. Then after that linkage ho gaya, hydrate, and the after that is what? The coordination isomerism, coordination sphere, exchange of ligands. Then after that we have a ionization isomerism. Ionization means what? Exchange of ions by a sphere and outside, like that. Here if you come for this one, this is coordination na, C for 4. C for 4, where is C for 4? These two remove. A or B, C for 4. Then next one, sulfate bromide exchange, otherwise here ambident and ligand. A linkage, A for 2. A for 2, where is there? Yes, option A. A for 2, B for 3, obviously ionization. Then ido solvent. Then the C for 2. This is the thing. A for 2, B for 3, C for 4 means A. NH35NO2, ambident and ligand, linkage isomerism. Sulfate bromide exchange means ionization. Ions. CO, this one, very simple. You can easily say coordination. Correct now? This one, water is there, my dear bachcho. Water is there, sir, solvent. Clear? Clear, students? Clear? Now the next question, my dear students, it is from your, again the named reaction. They are mixing a named reaction, match the list. But the question paper, it is very big. You can give the answer within a minute. Okay. The question is, match the list 1 and 2. List 1, list 2. Reagents they are mentioning. Here, look here. Benzene to acetic anhydride. Double bond, C double bond O. Benzene anhydride molecule. Here, this is, we need to couple now for a benzene. Benzene we know it is always undergo electrophilic addition. Why benzene? It have a more, what that we can say, more electron density like that. For that, my dear students, B is 1, correct now. Then this chromic oxide KMnO4. KMnO4 we already know. It is strong oxidizing agent, means carboxylic acid. Then alcohol to aldehyde, CrO3. Then if you come for this now, where do you see ozonolysis, guys? I already give you a trick. Cut it, add it. Oh, cut, add, cut, add, cut, add, cut and add, cut and add. This one. According to this A4 na, where is A is there? A4 option is there. Okay, remove that one. Sorry, A4 is there. Then B1 na, S B1 is there. Look here this two option, my dear bacho. Both are same option, A4 B1. Then if you come for C, 3 and 2 is there. Alcohol, no ozonolysis, guys. No ozonolysis. Chromium oxide we required. Chromium oxide. Etard reaction है भाई, CrO3. Etard reaction है भाई. Then what it will get? The answer is C is equal to 2. Then the answer is option 3. Option 3. Option 3 is the correct answer. Option 3 is the correct answer. Next. Activation energy of any chemical reaction can be calculated. Arey bhai, kya question hai bhai? Why they are asking this type of question in your NEET exam? This is very easiest question. What is the answer? Rate constant and standard. 9. Second one, probability of collision. Nope. Collision theory probability, we have a collision frequency and other one. Just remove. Then the option 3, orientation. Nope, no. The option D is a rate constant at 2 different temperature. Obviously, we are calculate using for the rate constant. This is the another question answer. Next, we are moving for the 77th. Again, it is a match the following from your electrochemistry, my dear students. Very simple. Here list how many Faradays, how many electrons exchanges. It is also called as n factor. Calculate n factor, you will get. Here, my dear students, n factor का मतलब क्या है? Oxidation number changes. Here H2O to O2, we already know 4OH minus, in what it will happen, H2O it will convert it. Here oxidation state -2 minus 1, this one it will change approximately. Otherwise you can calculate H2O here, O2 is a 0 na. H2O कितने? H2O -2 na, -2 to 0 means 2, means A 2 Faraday required. A get 2, these two, then remove these two. Either A, either B, sorry, either C. If you come for the next, 1 mole of MnO4 minus 2 Mn plus 2. Here, what is the manganese oxidation state? +7. It is only expressed in the D block. +7 to +2 means 5 electrons. B4, A2. Clear na? A2, B4. Answer is option E. C, Ca +2 to 2 na. But here 1/2 is there, half is there, my dear students. Here 1.5 is there, 1/2. Calculate that one, 1.5. Multiply that one, you will get 3 Faraday. Then after that, 1 mole of Fe2O3. It is very easy. 1 Faraday. Correct? Why? Iron oxide. Here oxidation state is +2. Here it will changes to +3, Fe2O3. Ferrous to ferric. D is option 3, then the option A is the correct answer. Number of electron, in fact, change, calculate, you will get the answer. Any doubt for this question, my dear students? I hope no doubt. Next, move for the next question. The question is 78th question. Intramolecular hydrogen bonding is present in. By intramolecular hydrogen bonding is present in. These are the 4 questions. What is this? Orthonitrophenol, metanitrophenol, paranitrophenol. Here intra, we already know hydrogen bonding. In the case of hydrogen bonding, it is a weak force. Van der Waals is there, hydrogen is there. Hydrogen, if it's electronegativity, if it's have a lone pair, hydrogen is very close, like me. It is always attracted towards a nucleophile. I am always attracting you guys now, like that. Hydrogen, it will attract electronegative. Where O is there, hydrogen bonding is common. Why? Water, best friends. If you come for this 4 option, my dear students, intra means within the molecule, inter means between the molecule. Here, look here. If the distance is more, bonding not occur. Here also the thing, you can easily say option A is a correct answer. What is the correct answer? Option A. Option A is a correct answer, my dear students. Why option A? Because look here, OH and O2. Due to this case only, acidic character for this molecule, you can say that 2. Only I am not considering HF here, like remove for isomers. 2A. After the 2, para after meta we will come, then after that one. Why? Because due to the hydrogen bonding, we are saying the hydrogen bonding. Next question, my dear students. This is also statement question from your organic. Both are organic. Students, if you consider the entire paper, most of the part from your organic and inorganic, and also few questions from the physical. Guys, I am always give a suggestion. First complete your organic and inorganic syllabus. Then after that move for the physical. Okay, physical, I will specially mention few topics. Please don't forget to read those topics. Solve the questions on those topics. Those are important. Enough. Okay, don't go with that bloody other teachers and any other one. Follow me. You will get very good marks in your NEET and CET exam. Pakka follow me. Okay. Next question. Statement 1. Aniline does not undergo Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Obviously. Why? Aniline. What is the structure of aniline, my dear bacho? What is the structure of aniline? Benzene. For a benzene ring, NH2 compound directly attached. NH2 is directly attached. Benzene ring. Okay, this is aniline. Nitrogen. In nitrogen we have a lone pair. Those lone pairs are, it is also a one of the nucleophile. It will attract an electrophile. In the case of a Friedel-Crafts alkylation, what it will happen? CH3Cl in the presence of AlCl3. Correct na? This will broken. It will form electrophile. It is an example for electrophilic addition. Substitution, sorry, not addition. Electrophilic substitution, there is a huge difference is there. Substitution and addition. Substitution, alkene to alkane. Addition. Substitution is only it will change this, okay? Substitute. If you come for the addition, what it will happen? Alkene is changes to alkane. Clear? If you come for this now, here lone pair is there. The possibility may be here CH3 may be attacked. Then this is used for the protection for the NH2 group in more cases. That's why aniline cannot be prepared through Gabriel synthesis. Gabriel thalamide synthesis. What is Gabriel thalamide synthesis? We have a thalamide. This is Gabriel thalamide. For this thalamide, my dear students, what you need to do? For this thalamide, auntie, for this Gabriel thalamide, first it is what it will there. It will with a O minus. Then first we need to changes for the KOH. Correct na? KOH we need to do. It is changes for the this one O minus K plus. Then after that further on you need to do the reaction. Then you will get the reaction. Here in this case, if it's a bulky steric hindrance, no steric hindrance. If steric hindrance is there, it is difficult little bit. Then what we will doing? What we are doing? We are only prepare a primary amines in the case of a Gabriel thalamide. Especially we are not prepare a aromatic. Aniline is aromatic. That's why the option A is the correct. Statement 1 and statement 2. Now, my dear students, next move for the next question. It is the 80th questions. What is the question number? 80th one. Up to this 30 questions, I hope there is no doubt for the your 30 questions. 30 questions. I know you guys are rocket. Now let's move for the next question. The question is, which one of the following alcohols react instantaneously with the Lucas reagent? What is Lucas reagent, my dear bacho? Lucas reagent is a reagent. It is used to differentiate primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols. What is Lucas reagent? Lucas reagent, alcohol with an anhydrous zinc chloride plus concentrated HCl. Correct na? Concentrated HCl. If you have a primary alcohol, my dear bacho, primary alcohol, secondary, tertiary, what it will happen whenever you add the glucose reagent, turbidity appears. Turbidity, where it is found? If you contains a tertiary alcohol, turbidity appears at immediately. I for immediately. Secondary alcohol, my dear bachu, it is coming after 5 to 10 minutes. This one it is coming after some time. You need to heat. You need to change the reaction. Correct na? Correct na? Yes sir, correct. That's why. Choose the tertiary alcohol. Why? What is they are asking? Alcohol react instantaneously. Tertiary alcohol. Khatam. Tertiary alcohols clear na? Clear. I hope. Next, my dear students. I say one thing whenever I starting. Ionization energy, it is very important. Always one question. Here we have an exception in the case of a period 2. They are asking this question. Arrange the following elements in increasing order of the first ionization. They are mentioning first. First, read the question correctly. They are mentioning first ionization enthalpy. Read the question correctly. First, ionization enthalpy. What is ionization enthalpy, my dear bacho? The energy required to remove the outermost valence shell electron. The energy required to remove the outermost valence shell electron, it is called as a ionization enthalpy. My dear students, you already know ionization enthalpy. For example, just imagine I am very strong. How will you beat me? But if I am speak, no, don't beat me, then you guys are beating me. Then if I don't know about the subject, how can I come here and I will do the live? Without seeing any answer, I am adding any answer, guys. Any answer I am adding here? No answers I am adding here. This is that. My dear students, look here. If we come for the ionization enthalpy, look here the 4 options here. We can easily say second exception. We have a beryllium boron exception, my dear bacho. Beryllium 1:2:2 na 1:2 we are not considering. Boron 1:2:2 2p1. P we have a 3 suborbits. 3 suborbit in we have a 1. In the case of this S2 paired 1. I am saying that it is not completely stable, but compared to boron, little bit stable. Means more energy required. Why completely? We already know the stability order according to Ohm's rule: completely fill it, half fill it, partially fill it. Completely, half, partially fill it. According to these conditions, then the answer is lithium is the least. Then we come with a boron. You can easily remove this. You can choose this one. You can choose this one. I hope it's clear. Along a period, according to the property, ionization energy increases. Down the group, it is decreases, but in this case, it is varies. This one. I hope it's clear. Any doubt in the case of ionization energy? Guys, if you watch the entire class of your SUHAS Bhaiya, then you can't lose the 1 marks. Not your SUHAS Bhaiya, entire Tapasya. Okay. Next question. Arey yaar, very easiest question. Which is not a redox reaction? Without solving a question, without seeing the other options, you can choose BaCl2. In class also, I discussed the same question. In before year also, I discussed the same question. My dear bacho, we are know what is redox reaction. Reduction oxidation simultaneously it will happen at the same time. On that case, my dear students, look here, H2Cl2 obviously 0 to 0. Here it will changes for plus to minus 1. It is correct. Zinc, if you come for 0 to S, it is changes. Copper, it is changes. Plus 2 to 0. Here in the case of this one, it is also changes. But here, no changes will happen. Oxidation number. That's why the option is 4. Option 4. Now we are moving for the next question. I think this is the second question from your atomic orbits. Atomic orbits, my dear students. Atomic structure, not orbits. Okay. The question is, my dear students, match list 1 and 2. Oh my god, this is I think 10th question of the match the following questions. Here, look here, guys. They are giving the quantum numbers and the information provided. We already know we have a totally 4 set of quantum number according to your quantum mechanical model. N, L, M, S. M means spin. Where is M, L, M, S? M, S is spin or orientation of a spin of electron. B4 we have a 2 option. Then remove the N. Then after that N, size of the orbit. L, shape we already know about L. If L is equal to 0, S, 1 P, 2 D, 3 F. S means what? Spherical, ball. P means dumbbell. D means double dumbbell. F means complex. This is the thing. Overall, this is the thing. If you come for the D size now, D2 is there. Here, where is that one? D2. S, D2 is there. C1 is there. And B4 is there. A, M, I. Orientation of orbital. S1. Option 2 is the correct answer. Option 2 is the correct answer, my dear students. Option 2 is the correct answer. Clear? Next question. We are moving for the next important question about your Coming from your the same topic, what thermo, we discuss second the question from thermo. In which of the following process entropy increases? A liquid evaporates. Yes, obviously entropy increases in the case of a liquid evaporates. Whenever the liquid evaporates, na, it will increase. The second question, temperature of crystalline solid lower from, lowering is there 130 to 0. Entropy का मतलब क्या है भाई? Entropy, what is entropy? Randomness, my dear student, randomness. It will becomes, for example, delta H minus, if it's exothermic, it is always spontaneous. Whenever it is endothermic, little bit not spontaneous, what we do, we will take the randomness from the surrounding the system surroundings. We will make it as a spontaneous. On this case we are discussing entropy. Now here temperature decreases by, it is not a entropy. Entropy is directly proportional to Q reversible divided by T. Now on that case, if you can consider this one, 132 0 Kelvin, this is the thing is happened. Then the next one, NeHS43 Ne2CO3. Yes, this is also answer. The answer is option C. You can easily choose. B is not the correct answer. B is not the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. Now my dear students, next move for the next question. It is from your mole concept. 1 gram of a sodium hydroxide was treated. You can take this question for your solution also. 1 gram of sodium hydroxide was treated with a 25 ml of 0.75 molar HCl solution. Hydroxide left underacted is equal to. It is also from your ionic equilibrium, my dear bacho. Look here guys, do this. We need to write the reaction. What is the reaction, my dear bacho? What is the reaction? What is the reaction? Look here. NaOH plus HCl, neutralization reaction, NaCl plus water. Here my dear students, look here, 1 mole of NaOH completely react with a 1 mole of HCl produces NaCl. Now calculate the gram. Means NaOH 40 gram, HCl, Cl 35.5 na, it is 36.5. These two combine this one. Here if you come for the 0.75 molar HCl 25 ml, but what is molarity, my dear bacho? Molarity is equal to the number of moles in a liter of the solution. Correct na? But here we have another relation. What is the another relation? Weight of the solute into 1000 divided by molecular weight into volume of the solution. Here you require the weight. W2 is equal to M, molarity. Let's substitute the value 0.75 molarity, then into molecular weight 40 into volume of the solution 25, overall divided by 1000. 1010 cancel. Calculate this value and tell me the answer. Calculate this value and tell me the answer, my dear students. 0.75 into 4 into 25 divided by 100. You will get a 0.75 gram. 0.75 gram you will get. Look here, my dear students. 40 gram react with a 36.5. Correct. 1 gram react with which one? 0.75. 1 gram with 1 gram, you can consider like that also. Then according to this, what is the remaining? 250 milligram. Remaining you can take and you can give the answer. Remaining you can take, you can give the answer. Very simple. Next question. It is your part B. Part B. Okay. Part B. Part B. Before moving to the part B, part A is completely clear. My dear students, part A is completely clear. We are left with only 15 questions. Part A is completely clear. I hope it's completely clear. Next question, look here. The question is the product of A and B obtained in the following reaction. Obviously PCl3, PCl5. It is used to produce a haloalkanes. By using a, we can easily say that here 3 hydrogen is missing and also here 3 oxygen is missing. H3PO3. Clear na? H3PO3, not PO4. How can 4 is coming? 3. Common sense, this one. Balancing a reaction. The answer is option 4. Option 4 is the correct answer. Option 4. By using simple, you can choose option 4. Yes. Next move for the again organic, my dear bachos, students. This time they are removing those 5 questions also. This is very important. Look here. Major products A and B formed in the following reaction sequence are. Here we have a PBr3. PBr3, brominating agent. What it will happen? It will replace OH. Here, if you have a benzene ring, it can't happen. Why? Their lone pair are involving in a resonance. Partial forming bond it will forming. No, it can't. That's why due to this, what is the thing? Here there is no, this bond is not there. Okay, I will remove, otherwise you will get confused here. Okay, now if you come for this, what is the intermediate Br? Everywhere we have a Br, but here substitution is there. No, these two you can easily remove. In first step you can easily remove 2, and the second one, alcoholic, I already explained you guys, they'll also mentioning. If you use aqueous form of a thing, it will give a substitution reaction. Alcoholic if you use, it will give a elimination reaction. And also temperature increases, water molecule removing. We already know. In the case of elimination, even E2, even Cb we have. Even again it will for same SN1, 2-step unimolecular elimination reaction. For that, very simple. Sets of rule. The double bond, it will follow where more substitution is there. Very simple. Where the double bond is forming, where more substitution is there, it will forming. Due to that case, CH3 is the substitution now. Instead of this, it will follow here. Option E. According to sets of rule, option E is the correct answer. Option E is the correct answer. Next question. Identify the major product C formed when the reaction sequence, in the reaction sequence. Look here, NaCN is there. We already know what it will happen. If you use AgCN, you will get isonitrile. NaCN, covalent character, you will get cyanomolecule. Cyanomolecule na CH3, CH2, CH2, CN. This is the first intermediate. Further on, they are mentioning partial hydrolysis, completely hydrolysis, carboxylic acid. Partial hydrolysis, amide. What you will get? Amide. CH3, CH2, CH2, C double bond O, NH2 na. Amide we will get. Next, NaOH in the presence of bromine. Often bromo degradation reaction, what it will happen? Carbon dioxide releases, you will get the amine. Which amine you will get, students? Propyl amine you will get, not the what? Butylamine. Why, sir? Sir, CO remove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, sir. You need to remove the CO. ಏನಪ್ಪ CO remove ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ. You need to use that. Okay. Next question. The next question is, during the preparation of a more salt, why are you giving this much easy question? In the preparation of a more salt, which of the following acid added to prevent hydrolysis from? Sulfuric acid, dilute sulfuric acid. Without you can easily answer. Okay, next problem, my dear student, from your degree of dissociation. Consider the following reaction in a sealed vessel. Okay, at equilibrium, obviously we need to perform in sealed vessel, otherwise it is not at equilibrium. Concentration changes and something changes, not. Next, with the concentration of this fuel, if 0.1 mole, okay. Question is very simple. Look here, the reaction 2NO N2 plus O2, all are gaseous. First you need to calculate the Kc value. Calculate Kc. Kc, what is Kc? N2 O2 NO power 2. Here, substitute the values. 3.0, 10 power minus 3, 4.2, 10 power minus 3 molar, overall divided by 2.8, 10 power minus 3, whole square whole square. Tell me the answer in the calculation part answer. If you calculate this, if you calculate 10 power minus 3 whole square, I cancel 3 into 4.2 divided by 2.8 whole square. If you calculate this, you will get the answer as a 1.607. 1.607. This is the Kc value. This is the Kc value. If you come for the relation, look here guys, whenever a time t is equal to 0, what is the initial concentration? 0.1 molar. 0.1 molar, product concentration is 0. At whenever time is equal to at equilibrium, what it will happen? According to this relation, 2 mole converted as a 1 and 1, decompose. Here 0.1 alpha means dissociation, okay, into 0.1 alpha, okay, this much dissociate it will happen. Then if you consider the Kc for the at equilibrium, what it will happen? Here 0.1 into alpha into 0.1 into alpha overall divided by 1. You can take 0.1 as a common, 1 minus alpha you will get. 1 minus alpha square, 0.1 into 0.1 alpha square. Kc, substitute the Kc value. What is Kc value? We will get 1.607. Substitute the value, you will get a alpha value as a 0.717. Alpha value, how much we will get? 0.717. Alpha 0.717. Calculation is important, my dear students. Calculate, you will get the answer 0.717. Clear? Next question. It is from your thermo. Thermo third question na? From thermo third questions. The work done during the reversible isothermal expansion if 1 mole of a 1 mole. Here look here guys. They are saying expansion. Work done is negative na. Minus 2.303 into N. What is the formula? R T. Temperature they are mentioning here. Temperature they are mentioning. Then you need to consider log. P initial by final. If it's compression, expansion, initial pressure is more final pressure. Compression, it will become positive. Reverse, final by initial it will happen. Final by initial. This is the formula. Here, how many moles they are giving molecule? Only 1 mole. So substitute the values 2.303 into 1 into 1. R value, they are mentioning R value. Okay, they are only mentioning a calorie. 2 by R value 2. Temperature, you need to mention in a Kelvin. 25 plus 273. Kitne by? How much? 892. 298 Kelvin. 298. Then log Pi minus Pf. Initial value. How much is the initial? 20 atmosphere to 10 atmosphere. Correct na? 20 by 10. 8 is 2. Log 2. 0.3. Here, then you will get minus 2.303 into 2. 2 into 298. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. 19. 2 2s are 4. 2 9s are 18. 19 1. 2 2s are 4 5. 596 into 0.3. Calculate, you will get an answer minus 413.14. Minus 413.14. This is the answer. This is the answer, my dear bacho. 91. Next, move for the next question. It is from your electrochemistry, your Faraday first law. What is Faraday first law state that, my dear students? The mass deposited, what it will happen? We will pass the current, what it will happen? Mass. The amount of substance deposited in a electrode or mass deposited in a electrode is directly proportional to the charge. How much charge we will supply? How much charge we will supply? It is directly proportional. To remove the proportionality constant, Z into Q. Q is nothing but what? I into T. I into T. Z is nothing but what? Equivalent weight divided by 96,500 into I into T. Okay, this is the formula. Mass in grams of copper deposited by a passing current through a voltmeter containing copper sulfate. Copper sulfate they are mentioning. Okay, copper sulfate for 100 questions. Oh, sorry, what? 100 seconds. Hey, look here. Equivalent of copper sulfate, molar mass of a copper. They are giving copper, you require an equivalent weight of a copper, 63 by 2. Why? Copper sulfate plus 2, 2 electrons are exchanging. Here, 2 into 96,500, write the 2 into 96,500. What is the I value here? 9.6847. T time, 100 seconds. E. Copper, they are giving 63 gram. But we know copper sulfate, copper plus 2. What is the N factor? 2. 63 by 2. How much we will get? 2 3s are 6. 2 1s are 2. 31.5. Solve it. Let me know in the answer. What you will get? How much you will get? If you solve this, you will get as a 3.15 gram. How much you will get? 3.15. This is the answer. Very simple. Solve it, you will get the answer. Okay, next question. Next question from your activation energy, my dear students. The question is the rate of a reaction quadruples when temperature changes from, okay, temperature it is changing from 27 to 25, sorry 50 to 57. Calculate the energy of activation. Very simple. Log K1 by K2. Log K1 by K2. Okay. K2 by K1. Sorry. S. What it will happen? The rate of reaction quadruples S1 to 4 na 1 to 4 K2 by K1. S4 by 1 that is equal to EA by 2.303. R value they are mentioning. S they are mentioning in kilojoules. Sorry joules 8.314 into my dear bacho, you need to require 1 by T1 by 1 by T2 na 1 by T1 1 by T1 27 is nothing but 273. Add karo 273. What you will get? 300. 1 by 300 minus 1 by 57. 57 is 273 plus 57. 7 plus 3 10. 12 13. 330. Solve this, you will get the answer. You will get the answer as a 3.80 kilojoule. 3.80 kilojoules. Very simple. Very simple question. Very simple question. Next question, my dear students. Next question. Let's move for the next question. The next question is the plot of osmotic pressure versus concentration. For a solution gives a straight line with a slope of this one. Slope value they are mentioning. Slope is equal to how much? 25.73. The temperature at which the osmotic pressure measurement is done. We need to calculate temperature. What we need to calculate temperature? We already know what is the relation of a osmotic pressure. Pi is equal to CRT. Pi is equal to CRT. Here we already know slope is equal to what? Slope is equal to RT na. Very simple. T is equal to slope divided by R. Slope by R. Here slope value how much? They are giving a 25.73 divided by R 0.083. Both are at same. If you calculate this one, you will get 310 Kelvin. 310 Kelvin, approximately 310 Kelvin you will get. You need to mention in a degree Celsius. Then what is the answer? You will get a 37 degree Celsius, guys. 37, sorry. Minus karo, you will get the answer. Okay, minus karo, you will get the answer. 37 is the answer for that question. 310 Kelvin, you will get 37 degrees the answer. Okay. Next question, my dear students. Shall we move for the next? Yes, easiest question. From your salt analysis. Given below, certain cations using an inorganic qualitative analysis arranged in the increasing number of 0 to 7. We know copper is the second group. Check here. Yes, copper is in the second group. It is there. Yes, B is there. Next, after the third group, aluminium plus 3. Correct na charge? Plus 3. We will come with A. Then the answer is option A. You can easily choose option A is the correct answer. Then after that we come with a cobalt. It is also present in a fourth group. Then after that we will come with a beryllium Ba. Then last magnesium. The answer is option A. Very simple. Very easiest question. Next. Okay. From your coordination compounds, fifth question. Sorry, fourth S you can consider the fifth also. D and F block you can consider both. Statement 1. Hexaamine cobalt is a homolytic complex, whereas tetraamine dichlorido cobalt again plus 3 is a heteroleptic complex. Statement 1 complex has only one kind of ligands, but this one kind of ligands. As obviously, in the case of a coordination compounds, we have a two type of molecules, right? We have a two type of compounds. Compounds we not say as a molecules. On that case, homo and hetero. Homo means what? Same ligands. Hetero means different kind of ligand. According to that condition, yes, both statements are true, but there is no explanation required. Both statements are true, my dear bacho. Next, the pair of lanthanoid ions which are diamagnetic. Without solving, you can choose C plus 4. What is the electronic configuration? XC. 4F0 barata. It is 4F0. That's why answer A is a correct answer. Answer A is a correct answer. Very simple. What you require? Answer A. Next question. Almost we are at the last questions, my dear bacho. Look here the question. For the given reaction KMnO4 H plus, oh my god, KMnO4 in the acidic condition, we already know acidic condition, KMnO4, it is also a strong oxidizing agent. Why? Oxidizing agent or oxidant is nothing but what, my dear students? Themselves they undergo reduction, help to oxidize the molecule. Arey bhai, oxidation number is decreases from +7 to +5 in the case of KMnO4. 5 electron is exchanges, strong oxidant. Due to that case, we already know very easiest. Simply hydrogen is there, cut the molecule, one carboxylic acid. We will get the answer is option 2. Very simple, option 2. Next question, identify the incorrect answer. It is from your chemical bonding question, my dear bacho. 3 resonance structure, ozone. Arey bhai, ozone we can write only 2 resonance structure. No, it is not answer. BF3, non-zero dipole moment. No. Then the next one, dipole moment of NF3. Obviously don't. It is a wrong. Why? NH3. Hydrogen and fluorine, hydrogen and the lone pair going with the same direction, my dear bacho. Same direction, that's why. Next one, 3 canonical structures forms can be done from carbonate ion. The answer is option 4. Option 4 is the correct answer. Very simple. Last question from your mole concept. Again, it is an empirical formula question. It is always there in your question paper. Here, look here the question. Compound X contains 32% of A, 20% B, remaining C. Means in 100, minus 32 minus 20, 48%. 48% of C. Here we already know what is the how to calculate empirical formula ABC. Here look here. 32% is nothing but what? 32 gram na. 32 gram of A in a 100 gram. Then here 20 gram. Then the C. The empirical formula of X is. Look here. Here write like this one. Here also they are mentioning. Oh my god. 1 second, I am shocked. Literally, why? Where is that atomic masses they are giving? I am confused, guys. I am sorry. Here they. Yeah, what we need to do? 32 by 64. 20 gram divided by 14. Then 32 divided by what? How much? Remaining 48. If you calculate this, 32 by 64 is nothing but 0.5. This one is 20 by 40 is also nothing but 0.5. Then you will get 32 by 48. What is the value of 32 by 48? Let me know in the chat section. 38 by 48. Sorry, 32. 32 by 48. You will get 0.66. 0.66. Here what you need to do? You need to 32 by 64. What is the answer? Check again. 32 by 64, 0.5 is correct. Then 20 by 40, it is also 0.5. Then if you come for like this now, we are writing correct. Yes, we are writing correct only. ABC, 0.5, 0.5, 0.6. Then divided with a lower value. If you calculate this, 1. It is approximately 0.6 divided by 0.5. How much you will get? How much you will get? 0.6 divided by 0.5. It is approximately 1.2. Then you will get the answer. Very simple. ABC3. Very simple ABC3, my dear students. Very simple. Okay. Very simple. Finally, we done with your all 100 question, my dear bacho. All sorry, not 150. For your 100 na. Sorry. All 50 question. Guys, this is about today's paper discussion. Now at 12:15, Bio sir is coming to discuss the same 2024 paper for both botany and zoology. Next, after that, I will give you a schedule. Every day it will happen from today to up to Saturday. We will discuss some more papers. Stay with us, learn with us, grow with us. You know our slogan, right? Learn, grow, and shine with a Tapasya. And then they go, Nama Tapasya. This is your master teacher, SUHAS sir. He is always in the lifetime with a beautiful smile. I love you guys, love you all. Please stay with us, learn with us, grow with us, and please make it sure that please share the video to your entire friends who are going to prepare for your NEET and CET, who want the crash course, especially online crash course in a pure English and the Kannada languages, and also my dear students, CET crash course in the Karnataka, offline, online, anything. If you want to any information about any crash course, any videos, any content from the Tapasya team, in the video, your in the description or in the video only one number is there. Please contact that and come and let's meet offline, my dear bacho. I am always happy to meet you guys. Okay, let's see how much comments it will get. If you like this video, if you like your SUHAS sir, then simply do one thing. Download the Tapasya Live app. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe the channel. My dear Bacho, love you all. Thank you. I will come in the evening session up to 2 bios 4. Yes, I will come once again. 12 to 2 is bio. 2 to 4. Yes, I will come at 4, my dear students. I will come at 4 for your second session. It is your 2023 paper, 2023 paper. 2023 paper we will come and I will discuss. Okay, this is about today's session. Thank you, my dear students. Thank you so much. Love you all. Bye. Take care.